I recently came across this channel. This channel was created 2 months ago, and this channel is already making up to $100,000 each month with just 48 videos. Also, this channel has already gained 25 million views in just a month. The fact that these videos are so easy to create, and yet getting millions of views every day. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can create these types of videos using free AI tools and resources available out there. You can create these videos in less than a minute, and if you give consistent effort to this niche, then you can also make thousands of dollars each day from your new faceless YouTube channel. You can upload these videos on multiple platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, basically every platform that exists, and multiply your income. You don't have to worry about having to invest your time on editing and finding the idea for the video, because all of this can be done with the help of free AI tools and free resources. Watch the video till the end. I have a gift for you so that you can speed up your editing process even faster. With this gift, I guarantee you that you can make these videos even faster. I would say in less than 20 seconds. Imagine creating a video in less than 20 seconds and getting millions of views. So these videos follow the pattern. It gives 2 options, and then the viewers will decide which one to pick. Viewers would love to play these games as they are fun and engaging. You will see the countdown in the background. Also, the result of what most of the people have chosen. So let us recreate these videos. First, we will generate these questions using ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT. After playing with various prompts, I came up with this prompt that generated the best result. As always, I have provided this prompt in the description, so check it out. After ChatGPT AI have generated these multiple questions, paste this question in any note-taking app. I will paste these in Google Docs. Now that I have got the script ready, we will generate a voice. To convert text to real human-sounding voice, go to this website 11 Labs. Here you will find out thousands of professional AI voices. 11 Labs produces high-quality audio that is clear and natural sounding. Here you will get to convert your text to speech with a certain limit for free. I tried different voices and found out the suitable voice for these types of videos.
Would you rather travel back in time to meet your ancestors, or forward to meet your future descendants?
The model name is Serena, and she somehow sounds like that Watch Mojo girl.
Welcome to Watch Mojo.
No way!
Now paste your script here one question at a time and download it. After this, we will head over to Canva. Log into your account, and here you will see multiple options. Head over to this mobile video option. This will give the perfect aspect ratio for shorts content. You will see the multiple video templates. We are not using any of them. We are doing everything from scratch. I will show you by generating one video. Then I will show you the fastest way to generate other videos. You don't need a premium account to do this. I am selecting a rectangle, then I will keep this rectangle in top half and another rectangle in bottom half. Then I will give these 2 different colors. After this, I will add a divider and make it a little bit smaller. I will also add this little circle to add a text. You can choose any font that you like. I am choosing the one called Black Mango, and I am setting the font color as white. Then I will upload those audio files that we generated. Drag this audio to the timeline. Manage the length of the video according to the length of the audio. Now that we have added audio also, we will add images and text. I have added the text, and I am testing some fonts. You can experiment with all the fonts and choose one that you like. Also, you need to add an effect so that it looks attractive. I am adding a little outline. I am also adding some animations. I will go with this one. I will then do the same for the above text. Now let's add some pictures. Go to this element section and search for the relevant images. Here, you can filter between free and pro elements. You can choose free from here. This will display only free to use elements. You can also use their text-to-image generator. Now choose the relevant image and adjust it. Now that I have got the relevant image, I will adjust them and add some animations into them. Now I will add the results. I will manage their timings. Set the timing so that it will display after the audio ends. Also add animation in it. Here I am doing some testing to see what looks better. Now that the video is done, add the countdown effect. You can find it in the audio section inside the elements. Now reduce the volume. After this, your video is ready. But don't worry, you don't have to do any of this. I will provide the template link in the description. You can duplicate the template and follow the steps that I will be showing you right now. Here, duplicate the page. Now you just need to drag and drop. Choose another audio. Now replace the text with a description relevant to your current audio. Do the same for images. Also replace the result that you got from ChatGPT. Now your other video is also ready. See, this doesn't take any time, right? You can also use the Canva bulk generation feature, but this is only available for premium users. You can also take a 30-day free trial to test this. This is it. I will give you one bonus tip. This will make your video more engaging. Instead of using static images, you can use GIFs to make your video more engaging. Go to GIFs and search what you want. You will get everything here. You can search here what you want and drag and drop just like you do with the image. This will make your video attractive than other videos. That's all for this video. Now you download and upload these videos.